In this video, we're going to look at how to use the echo command. With echo, we can print a string to the standard output. Here we see the syntax of the echo command. The option and string arguments on square brackets are optional. Also, the 3 dots mean that we can repeat the preceding item. Let's try to echo a simple string first. As we can see here, the string inside the double quotes is printed below. With the echo command, we can also validate if a shell variable exists. Here we want to check the value of the home variable. In our case, it's /root. Also, some servers need a proxy to reach the internet. We can quickly check if a proxy variable exists in our shell using the echo command. The proxy is usually defined with this variable name. We can also use the E option to enable interpretation of certain escape sequences. For example, using \n lets us move to a new line. Using \t moves the cursor 1 tab horizontally while \v moves it vertically. We can also create stairs. Echo can be used also to either append text to a file or overwrite its contents. 1 greater than overwrites a file, while 2 appends text to it. Now we'll check out the N option, which removes new lines. We'll use it in a bash script so the difference is easier to see. We're going to run the echo.sh script. Let's first take a look at what's inside. Here we can see that in the first question we use the N option, which skips new lines, and in the second we didn't. Also, with the help of the read command, our input will be stored on a variable and we will print it afterwards. Finally, we're using the nescape sequence twice to add 2 empty lines before the final output. Have in mind that in order to run a script, the user should have execute permissions. Here we add execute permission for the owner with chmod. Let's give it a try. Shell, yeah. What shell command should we dig up next? Tell me below. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.